Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll give you a full guide on the scroll airdrop and also give you updates on the airdrop. Okay, so first and foremost, come to your Chrome browser over here, and then on your Chrome browser, come and search for scroll mainnet. So you search for scroll mainnet and then open up the mainnet website over here, or the mainnet page. Okay, so you tap on that. So when you tap on that, wait for it to load up a bit. Okay, so it's downloading up a bit, you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now you can come either choose bridge into scroll or start building. Okay, so come and tap on bridge into scroll, but before that, come and read over here. It says scroll seamlessly extends Ethereum capabilities through zero knowledge tech and EVM compatibility, the layer 2 network built on Ethereum. So guys, this means scroll is built on the Ethereum network. Okay, so just come and tap on start building over there. Okay, and then just come and read through all this over here. Okay, and as you can see, it's more on the Ethereum network. Okay, so if you want here, you can come and put your email address, and then when you put your email address, you get a link to start on the mining of the scroll airdrop over here. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.